Hi everyone, good evening. How are you? I hope are you doing well. Today I am going to teach you how to speak with others in English language. English is not a tough language, English is easy language, but you have to practice every day. Listening, reading, speaking. If you practice every day, after few days you will see what impact you achieved. If you practice every day, your tongue will be flexible, your mind absorb words, you can speak fluently, you make sentence quick, because while your memory work fast. How can we search the word correct? How you use the grammar rules is not a very big matter. One time you can skip that rules, but I want to tell you, if you speak correct English, don't don't be afraid while speaking. Wherever you get a chance, you have to speak, because if you have to speak, your hesitation reduce, your shyness reduce, your fluency improve. Practice day by day, again and again. Like as if you want to become a good English speaker, you have to know very well first tense, second modal verb, third ws family, fourth causative verb, fifth number imperative sentences. If you if you achieve, if you know about these, you can speak fluently. You have to speak daily, do practice daily. Like as if you reading something, you read one paragraph 3 to 4 times. One time for meaning, second time for pronunciation, third time for fluency. Read again and again, minimum 10 times. English english is a language, not a very big deal. You can learn English with me by easy steps. I will teach you step by step. In last video I uploaded, I saw you I saw you with example 12 tense. If you did not watch that video right now, you go and must watch that video. That video is very useful for everyone, because nearby in 15 minutes I covered all 12 tens in my one video. Go and watch there with examples. Now today's topic my is modal verb. Modal verb are those they can use directly. Means can show you the ability, what ability you have to do. Like is, I can run 10 kilometers, he can eat 5 chocolate, he can climb on the mountain. Next modal verb is a could. A could shows your past ability. Like as I couldn't speak very well in my class. He couldn't play very well. Next modal verb, will be able to. Will be able to in future. You will do something. For example, I will be able to come to your home. He will be able to speak English. Next modal verb, should. Should means चाहिए. हमें स्कूल डेली जाना चाहिए. वी शुड गो टू स्कूल डेली. हमें डेली एक्सरसाइज करनी चाहिए. वी शुड डू एक्सरसाइज डेली. नेक्स्ट मॉडल वर्ब मस्ट. मस्ट मीन्स कोई चीज़ आपको ज़रूर करना चाहिए. जैसे आपको स्कूल ज़रूर जाना चाहिए. यू मस्ट गो टू स्कूल एवरी डे. नेक्स्ट मॉडल वर्ब ought to. Ought to means ought to is used in a political word. If you want to say something in polite, like as you have to follow traffic rules, you ought to obey your parents' order. Next modal verb has to, have to. You have to study well. She has to cook food. She has to write sentences. She has to speak. I have to speak. They have to play. Next modal verb will have to. Will have to shows you what you want. You will have to do in future. Like as I will have to do lot of work. He will have to do something. They will have to play. Next modal verb need to. Need to. Your English is very big. You need to practice. Next modal verb used to. I used to play there when I was a kid. And next and last modal verb is dare to. Dare to, you have to do something. Like as you show your courageous. Like as I dare to speak with my principals. I dare to speak with my MD. I dare to talk to my management. Guys, subscribe my channels, practice with me, like video and share the video. You have to practice. If you want to become a good English speaker, if you want to speak like as a native speakers, don't worry, I will teach you step by step. Subscribe my channels, like my video, and most you must share my videos so that everyone can teach something from me. Thanks guys.